Hello! Kumusta? Today, we're gonna learn how to introduce ourselves in Tagalog and let's read it together. Kumusta? Ako po si Trisha. Iki nagagalak kung makilala ka. In English, how are you? I'm Trisha. It's nice to meet you. Okay, let's read it together and break it down. Kumusta? Ako po si... And then add your name. For me, ako po si Trisha. Let's learn how to say it's nice to meet you in Tagalog. Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka. Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka. Again. Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka. And let's learn how to say I am from blank. I am from Philippines. Let's say in Tagalog. Taga, and then your place, po ako. Example, taga Netherlands po ako. Taga Netherlands po ako. This time, you can tell your age by stating your age first and then taon na po ako. Your age first. Taon na po ako. Example is, I am 25 years old, so I'm gonna say, 25 taon na po ako. I'm gonna teach you how to count later. This time, you're gonna tell them what is your job. So, to say that, you need to state your job first plus po ako. Example is, I'm an operator. So, I'm gonna say, operator po ako. Your profession, po ako. Operator po ako. When you want to say that you are already married, you can say this. Kasal na po ako. Kasal na po ako. Kasal na po ako. I'm married. When you want to say you're still single, you can say this. Single pa po ako. Single pa po ako. I'm still single. Single pa po ako.